G'day everyone, it's Connor and
Michael!
And we're from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, sending you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide, all across Australia as well.
And around the world.
And around the world, yeah.
And this is a very international flavoured unboxing.
Oh, okay, we've got a few here.
We do.
International flavoured, you say?
Possibly even presidential.
Oh, that sounds very fancy.
Or ex-presidential.
Oh, okay, well let's crack in.
Alrighty. Whoops. My usual knife cutting skills, which I'm renowned for on this channel.
I put two knives down at the start of the video, so Michael had a choice and he chose to pick both of them up, and I said no, I can't let you do that on the channel.
So I thought this was politically inspired. I need one for the front, one for the back. Just throw the rubbish around.
Yeah, someone else will get it.
One of the things I don't like about these things is when they are boxes inside boxes inside boxes. Because they're hard enough to unpack. Actually, that would have told me what was actually in here instead of me just guessing.
So it's a little bit of pass the parcel at this stage, isn't it?
It is. It's also, I don't know what's in which box.
Well, the best way to find out is to unbox it live under camera.
Exactly right. All right. Woo.
There's a lot of styrofoam in that.
Yeah.
I haven't seen anything packaged like this before. Whoa.
So this will get everyone a fluster. These are Silver Shield bars.
Oh, wow.
So people know the Silver Shield. It started off as the, what was it, silver? I'm having a mental blank. It's my age. These are world renowned. The Silver Shield. But this is one of their 10-ounce bars. And the better side, I love the design on this side. The other side, though, has the Den of Thieves.
Wow.
Not federal, no reserve.
Holy, you see, this is my first time ever seeing this at all. I haven't even seen this online. Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Yeah. So, they've caused quite a bit of controversy over the years.
And why would that be?
Just they make different political statements with their bars and coins.
I see.
And so it's always a bit risque whether we stock them or not. But there's been quite a bit of demand for the Silver Shield stuff.
Wow. That's
so, yeah, we got in some 10-ounce bars. So they will be up on the website if you're viewing this, when you're viewing this. We've also had a bit of a drought on larger size, I should say smaller size bars, I suppose. I was going to say larger size coins. So the 5 and 10 ounce have been missing from the range for quite a while. They've been very difficult to get hold of. So in here is these 10 ounce, and there also should be some 5 ounce bars. So hopefully these are the 5 ounces.
Another box. We should have known. We should have known. Well, talking about the Silver Shields, because I have heard them be mentioned before, but I've never seen them. So do they release one every year, or what's the go with these guys?
No, Silver Shield's a company.
Yeah.
That produces all sorts of different designs all through the year. So, but they do have some favourites, and one of them being the Den of Thieves. Here we go.
Now, what do we have hiding in here?
This is where we need the American anthem. I won't offend all the Americans watching this and give my rendition of it.
Now, who is that gentleman?
Young Donald J. Trump.
Wow, yeah, he was in the news for years and years, wasn't he?
He's still in the news. What are we talking about?
Yeah, that's a good point.
The 45th president? I'll stand corrected by someone, but I'm fairly sure he's the 45th.
Now, do they do a president coin every year? Or like every president, I should say?
No. The Americans have presidents all over their coins, but no, this is definitely a one-off Donald Trump.
Yeah, this seems like a bit of a unique one, doesn't it?
It does. So, honour, courage, integrity, perseverance. So I love the wording they have on some of their coins. And then young Mr. Trump on the other side. So they are now available. We only have 1,000 of them, and I know I keep saying this on lots of videos, but they will go relatively quickly. So if there's something that you're interested in, we're not going to get into the politics of it on this channel.
If you'd like a piece of this,
yes,
this coin.
If you would like to have Donald Trump at home, here's one way you can do it. Alrighty, hopefully these are the 5 ounces. See the fun things we get to unbox around here?
Yeah, plenty. Pass the parcel, a box within a box, and then there's coins within that box.
Here we go again. Alright. Should have got myself a Donald Trump mask to unbox this, shouldn't I?
Do you reckon they're still for sale around the place? Do you reckon we could actually get our hands on one in here in Melbourne?
I'm sure we could. The guys up at the fancy dress place have got all sorts of things up there.
You've got an account there probably at this point, wouldn't you? Pigeon suit.
These are also more Donald Trump, so I won't open another box of the same thing. Move those to the side. And we'll crack into one of these. Excellent. See, it's great when I actually know what's in the boxes for a change. It happens so rarely.
Well, because of such a significant demand, I feel like you've been waiting for a lot of these, haven't you?
I have. It's taken a long time to get these into the country. These were ordered. I'd hate to think how many months ago I put in this order. It was a long time ago.
But it's finally here. That's great news.
I'd actually given up on hope for them for a while.
Whoa!
These are going to be fun.
Now, what are these monster things?
You have to give me a second to open them.
Yeah, take your time.
It's not going to be easy. Oh, here we go. I thought there were several separate pieces. It's just one big piece. If the 1 ounce wasn't big enough for you, have a look at this baby.
Oh my gosh. That is, wow. How many ounces are we talking here?
5 ounces of Donald Trump.
Wow. He's got the smirk and everything.
They are. They're a great coin. And it's the same as the other one on the back with the eagle and the American flag. The same statements. So, I never noticed the vigilance on the smaller one. There you go. But the 5 ounce actually, it gives you that detail that you can actually blow things up a bit and have a look at them. Now, a couple of little traps for people, and you can see that there's some rim markings on them because they are just, as you can see, they come delivered like that, and there's a whole tube of, I'm guessing there's about 20 in a tube, so they will have rattled their way across the Pacific to us. So there will be some just slight bruising around the rim, and because of the mirror finish, particularly on this side, you will find that I'm making it sound terrible. I'm making it sound far worse than it actually is, but you will kind of see it's not a clean mirror finish in the background there. So just be prepared for that when you get them. Have a good look at the B-roll and you'll see what I'm talking about on that. But they're a great looking coin. Don't overemphasize what I've just said. They're not damaged or anything along those sort of lines, but it's just, it does have that bruising from travel. That's just the way they come. So just be aware of that. But other than that, that should be the lot. I don't think there's anything else hiding in here. I'll just have a quick look on one of the invoices to make sure. 1 ounce Donald Trumps, 5 ounce Donald Trumps, and the silver shields. That's it for this unboxing, which I actually think is a pretty darn exciting unboxing. I know a lot of people have been asking us to get into Donald Trumps for a while and to get some of the silver shield. So you've asked, we finally delivered. It did take us a long time, but we finally got them in.
Brilliant. Well, that's it from me. Thank you very much, Michael.
No worries. And that's it from me too. Talk again soon.